Here I am down at the bottom of my driveway. Had a state department had the lawnmowers come by and they mow the lawns down here in the ditches. And they went a little too far over to the edge there. Looks like they might just wasn't looking and the wheel slipped and went over and tipped over the edge and turned over and held up a bunch of traffic. Yeah. So, yeah, this is why they, even if you're running a tractor on the side of the road for the State Department, you gotta have one of them commercial driving certificates, licenses, CDLs. Yeah. So this is one of the hazards that these guys face on these hills. It's not just the drivers that have to handle these things. It's also the maintenance guys that, oh boy, they just slip one wheel off the edge there, and you can see it's. I'm going to tell you, that's a heck of a drop off right there now. It's nothing to play with, that drop off. If you get a flat tire, you go off the road, you go past them ribs, you're out in the pasture right there. So when you're driving these roads in Missouri, you all better be careful. And when it says speed limit is 35, you best be doing 35, because you don't know how sharp that turn up ahead is going to be, and you don't know what idiot drove it before you and caused an accident before you. Yeehaw. Alright, here we go. Traffic the other way. Alright, well, this is a Desert Artist. This is my fun detail for the day. Okay. Oh, the flowers coming out nice. Look at that. Yep. I have to clip some of those and put them in the house. Yep. Okay. Well, there's my driveway. We're out of here. The Desert Artist. I'm out of here. Bye.